And I want to ask Honorable Ababu Namwamba through you that Mr. Chair, is the nominee motivated to work in the Ministry of Sports, really? Because we are trying to assess his suitability or confirm his suitability to that ministry, Speaker and Chair. Why am I saying that? Because, Chair, prior to election, we saw Honorable Namwamba, I saw Honorable Namwamba, and many Kenyans saw him playing very important and pivotal role in terms of issues of international relations, taking the candidate to very prominent appointments internationally, all over the world, Honorable Speaker. And the work, which in my view, he did exceptionally well. So now, many Kenyans, including me, expected that he was going to be nominated for Foreign Affairs. That is where he was going to really have a lot of motivation, energy, and eager. To see him, Honorable Chair, in sports, I'm not seeing the candidate motivated sufficiently, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, we might be approving, and I want him to convince me. Honorable Chair.
Honorable Pkosing, we are ask him questions that test his suitability and motivation, to use your word, for the office for which he has been nominated, not the office for which he has not.
Speaker, can I continue?
Just ask the question or make your comment.
For him to explain to me specifically, Honorable Speaker, allow us the latitude to prosecute our questions, Honorable Speaker. This is a vetting process, confirmation process. And I want him to explain to Kenyans and me. Is he sufficiently motivated to take the office? I thank you.
It's very good to ask questions. If you ask him why he's not in foreign affairs, he'll tell you, go and ask the appointing authority. What else would you ask thereafter?
Speaker, you are paraphrasing, and you are paraphrasing my question. I asked him to explain to me, is he motivated sufficiently to take over the Ministry of Sports? I didn't ask him sports. I didn't ask him foreign affairs, Speaker.
Yes.
You are boxing me towards a corner that Kenyans will look at me as if I'm not asking